Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. I hope you had a great Christmas. Another video for the holidays. Chocolate covered strawberries and mincemeat tarts, and those are really two fairly short recipes, so I combined. So I really hope you enjoy that, and don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe. And hopefully you enjoy all of the holiday videos I've been showing you, because it's really great during the holidays to like share different recipes with everyone, and that's a lot of fun. So hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. And I'm Sean Beaumont, and I will show you chocolate covered strawberries and classic mincemeat tarts for the holidays. So stick around for that. So Beaumont's going crazy about tarts here. Okay, so I'm doing another tart on Christmas Eve. Doing a nice mincemeat tart. Won't be Christmas without some mincemeat tarts, so that's what I'm making. And yeah, I've pre-baked the tart shells for about 6 minutes in the oven at 375 for 6 minutes. So it's kind of like a partial bake. And I'm going to, of course, I'm going to finish filling them, and then I'm going to put some little fancy stuff on top, and I'll kind of show you like how we're going to finish these things off. So I'm playing with tarts, right? So I'm going to put one of these, like so. One of these. Yeah, I'm just sort of making it fancy. It's kind of a normal thing to do with the mincemeat tarts. Yeah, I don't know, it's cool. Yeah, nothing too exciting. I'm just going to do this for all the tarts, and when we come back, I'll show you what they look like after they're baked. So there's our mince meat tarts. Really good. Yeah, they look really awesome. So that's yeah, some nice mincemeat tarts. Nothing fancy about these. Definitely not my style. These are really old, very traditional, but they're so awesome. This is kind of the way they are. This little, yeah, they're a little kind of a rustic tart. Just I always like to serve them with a little platter with cookies and everything, and I'm going to take that cookie platter to a whole new level today, because I'm going to make. So the next thing I'm going to make is chocolate covered strawberries. So that's the next thing I'll be making for the little Christmas spread, I would call it. Order 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just melting that down, and yeah, and then I'll show you what we're going to do with the chocolate. And you have to be careful because the milk will burn. So chocolate, 4 ounces of chocolate chopped or shaved, and yeah, you put that in there, and that's your chocolate base for your chocolate. Yeah, so all I'm doing now is just chopping up chocolate, like so, kind of shaved. Yeah, that's good. So yeah, it's 4 ounces of chocolate chopped, and we're going to toss it in with the milk and the butter. Right here. Toss it in there all at once. Now, I'm sure what we'll do. Yeah, making ganaches are actually quite simple. It's not all that complicated. So yeah, I'm just gonna do some chocolate covered sexy strawberries. I think always a good Christmas thing. Oh yeah. See how the chocolate's kind of melting there? That's what you want. Stir, stir, stir. Yeah, no, all it will take is once the chocolate's melted, we're just gonna cool it down a bit. Like toss it in the fridge for 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll show you what we'll do with our strawberries. Especially great for the holidays. So we're gonna cool this down in the fridge. Show you with our chocolate covered strawberries. Kind of a short video, but still a good one. All right, our chocolate. So we've got our chocolate and our strawberries, so I'll show you what we're gonna do. And as I said, don't have to worry about the chocolate, it'll set more. I probably could have done this a little sooner because it's starting to set already, so that's alright. It's chocolate covered strawberries. Alright, take this guy, perfect. Like so. You get a little piece of parchment paper on a plate, and then you can just kind of toss them on there. Toss those in the fridge after. Yeah, and you don't have to take the little stem off because, you know, once you eat it with the chocolate, you can kind of take that off as you're eating it, so that's fine. Who doesn't like chocolate covered strawberries? That's such a nice thing, you know. Super easy to make, not hard. But they just look so decadent. Yeah, I guess decadent, kind of sexy. Or pretty, whichever way you want to look at it. Yeah, I just want to get it all in that lovely ganache we just made. Chocolatey. Right. Probably an easier way of doing this, I like to use my hands. It's all good, you know. You're at home, right? So. Yeah, it's just set a little too much, but yeah, it's okay. Chocolate covered strawberries. As I said, I'm having a few challenges because the chocolate kind of set. There's ways that you could soften it up if you want to. I'm just being crazy, like usual. All right, just gonna let these set, and there's your chocolate covered strawberries. Yeah, maybe a little rustic, but you know, it's fun, right? So this is our Christmas spread. So you have your chocolate covered strawberries there. This is the famous shortbread cookies that are on my channel as well. And we have the famous sugar cookies are there. And we have our Mince Meat Tarts. That's your kind of your Christmas spread dessert. Cool. Hope you enjoyed, and that's the Christmas spread dessert. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and happy holidays. And I really hope you enjoyed all the holiday recipe fun. I really enjoyed myself because this is the first time in a long time I actually cooked 2 turkeys this holiday season, just to show you things, different stuff, right, to do. So I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.